Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a crockpot beef and potatoes dinner. Grab yourself about 8 to 10 small to medium honeygold potatoes. Make sure you wash those up beforehand. Chop your potatoes up into bite-sized pieces. Here I'm adding about 1.5 pounds of stew beef. Now I did rinse this beforehand. I know a lot of y'all don't rinse your meat, but I was always taught that, and that's what I done. Add your potatoes to the top of your stew beef. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, we are adding 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. Next, you will add 1 packet of onion soup mix, and then the magic sauce, our delicious beef stock. Here I'm adding 1/2 cup of our beef stock to our mixing bowl. Then you will mix until well combined. Once your sauce is mixed well, go ahead and add your sauce to the top of your potatoes, trying to spread that out all over the top. It's not required, but you get what I mean. Once you have spread out your sauce as best that you can, go ahead and cover up your crock pot and cook on low for 8 hours. You can cook this on high for 4 hours if you want, but I cooked mine on low for 8 hours. This crock pot beef and potatoes is so easy, so delicious and flavorful, you're gonna love it. I served this up with some delicious fresh green beans that I grew from my garden. Enjoy, y'all.